In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go to a specific date in TradingView. TradingView is a powerful platform for traders and investors who wish to analyze financial charts, and accessing historical data can be incredibly useful. Whether you're looking to backtest a strategy or just curious about market movements on a particular day, knowing how to navigate to a specific date within TradingView is essential. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, we'll start by heading to the TradingView website. Open up your preferred web browser, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, or any other, and type in the TradingView URL. Once it loads up, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, now's the perfect time to sign up. Having an account not only helps you save your settings, but also grants you access to a wider range of features, which can be immensely beneficial as you navigate through the platform. After logging in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a sidebar dotted with icons, each one representing a different function within TradingView. Among these icons is the one we'll be focusing on, usually shaped like a clock or a calendar, perfectly suited for our task today. Clicking on this icon will bring up a small dialog box that allows you to input a date. For those of you who are fans of keyboard shortcuts, there might also be a handy combination you can use, typically involving the Control or Command key paired with another key. Getting accustomed to this shortcut could streamline your workflow significantly once you start using it consistently. Now, let's turn our focus back to that dialog box that just popped up. This is where the real magic happens. You'll find fields within this dialog box where you can carefully select the specific date you wish to visit. You'll need to choose the year, month, and day you're interested in. Once that's set, TradingView will handle the rest, pulling up the relevant chart data for that particular date. After you've selected your desired date, look for a Go To button. This could appear as a prominent button or a simple link within the dialog box. Clicking Go To will have your chart automatically adjust, transporting you back in time to observe price movements, indicators, and more from that specific day. Seeing how events unfolded back then can be quite insightful and is a vital tool for any trader engaged in technical analysis or backtesting strategies. In summary, you need to visit the TradingView website, log into your account, locate the correct icon, or use the shortcut for efficiency, and then enter your date before selecting Go To. By following these steps, accessing historical data in TradingView becomes a simple task, allowing you to devote more time to making informed trading decisions. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of these steps, don't hesitate to check the comments below where I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for watching and happy trading.